Magandang araw! Ang reading po natin for today is Virgo. Virgo reading for the year 2026. Card, can you give us a reading for Virgo this year 2026? General reading for Virgo for year 2026, year of the fire horse. And your first card is the Page of Cups. Virgo, you are a dreamer. Meron kang creative calling. So, for this year, ang advice ko sa'yo, chase all your dreams. And for your second card is the Emperor. And sinasabi din sa card mo na ikaw ay determinadong tao and relentless. Committed ka. You are committed sa lahat ng responsibilities na meron ka. Magandang quality, determination, and relentless commitment. And your third card is the Hermit. For this year, magkakaroon ka ng self-reflection. Tingin ko hahanapin mo yung sarili mo, your own self. Ngayong taon na to, magkakaroon ka ng ganong feeling. And your fourth card is the Ten of Cups. Emotional and spiritual fulfillment. Upon reflection, yung nag-reflect ka, you will finally found your emotional and spiritual fulfillment, Virgo. And your fifth card is the Seven of Wands. You will encounter challenges, Virgo. So, pag dumating yung mga challenges na to, your card is telling you na you have to maintain your control. Be prepared and be strong. And your sixth card is the Four of Wands. After all the challenges, you have celebration. So, don't worry, Virgo. Kahit na magkakaroon ka ng mga challenges this year, definitely ma-overcome mo sila and you will celebrate. Sabi nga ni Seven of Wands, just maintain your control. Ang seventh card is Seven of Cups. You will be presented multiple possibilities and opportunities. So, alam naman natin, no, if maraming opportunities, maraming conflict din nakasama.